Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, a M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I am technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you guys the simple C programming for calculating the average of three numbers in C. Okay, so to find the average of three numbers, let me define an integer as data type. Okay, so int let us say number underscore 1 for number 1 and number underscore 2 for the second variable and number underscore 3 for the third variable. Okay, so in between the variables you have to give a comma in case if you want to terminate it, then in the next line you have to again use the same data type which has to be for which the variable we have to define. Okay, so the next thing is we have to get the values from the user, these three variables. So for an understanding what operation we are going to perform, so inside the inside the printf statement we have to define what you're going to do in the next line. Okay, so we're gonna get the values from the user, so I give the same statement, get the values from user. Basically printf statement is for getting it's for printing the values whatever present inside the it's double quote. Okay, so the next line we will get the value from user. For that we have to use a scanf statement. Okay, so the scanf statement is used for getting the values from the user. Okay, in the runtime when we compile the program. So here %e, %d and %d, as we have three numbers, so we have to use ampersand number 1. Okay, and then ampersand number 2 and then number 3. Okay, so now we are getting the values from the user of three values. So let me come here. So getting the values. Okay, the next thing is let us define one more variable here which stores the value of average. So average. Okay, so the formula for average is we have to sum the values, three values, and we have to divide by 3. Okay, so if you have a number of variables, then you add all the number of variables and then divide with the n. Okay, so n represents a number of variables. Here we have to add all these three numbers. Okay, so to do that, let me copy and paste it here. And then I use plus operator. So this plus operator is for adding the numbers. Okay, and then we use a divisible operator, and then as we have three numbers, then I divide by 3. Okay, so and then terminate it. Now let us print the value of a user. To do that, let me use printf statement. So inside the printf statement we gonna display the value of an average. Okay, so the value of average is equal to %d because this is also in integer. Okay, so comma, let me use the /n for new line command. Okay, so the value of an average is equal to %d, and then I print here as an average, then I terminate here. Okay, so now I'm going to run the program. So let me set the values as 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so the average is 2. So what operation is happening here, let me explain it here. Okay, so I given the first number as 1. Okay, so number 1 is number 1 is 1 plus it's 2, and the next value is plus 3. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so 6. Now with that value is divided by 3. 3 represents the number of variables we have. It's 3. So number 1, number 2 and number 3. So now the 6 divided by 3, the result is equal to 2. Okay, so the average value is 2. So the same result we got in our output also. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. If you have any doubt or comment, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all.